everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I haven't done a Wish haul for about a year and I really like buying things off Wish. I'm a pretty bad cheapskate when it comes to clothing, and especially because like I'm quite alternative in the way that I dress. Access to clothing like isn't that easy. Like of course you've got like you can get a few alternative bits from Primark and New Look and stuff like that, you know, like tartan and checkerboard's kind of in fashion at the moment, but it's hard to like get like really good pieces that you like can wear like to go out and stuff. Obviously we have brands like Killstar and Restyle, but they're really expensive, and honestly I'm on such a budget. Like I have like 3 holidays this year. I'm absolutely not about to drop like £50 on a t-shirt. So I went on to Wish, and one thing that I wasn't aware of when I first started shopping on Wish is how much fake stuff is available, and I personally don't really like wearing counterfeit clothing. I don't want to wear like an outfit that says like Killstar all over it when really it's made of like the cheapest material ever. Like I'd rather just wear like, you know, like individual pieces. Some of the stuff I have is kind of like a dupe for that, and I have like DIY'd a few bits as well. But I've been wanting to film this for such a long time, but I've been waiting for stuff to arrive. There's actually only one item that I haven't received, and basically in my last Wish haul I included some black Pentagram earrings and I bought them in white, and they just haven't been received yet. But in 2 days it's like the cut-off point where Wish can message you and say, did you receive this? And if you say no, they give you a refund. So Wish have like a really good guarantee policy, and there's always like discount codes available and you get points for your purchases. One thing that I would advise if you shop on Wish is to check out with each item separately, because you get 100 points for every purchase. Now I didn't realise that when you buy like 8 things, if you check out all in one go, that's still 100 points. But if you check out separately for each thing, you can get 100 points per transaction. Buy them with other buyers and you get like a discount on it, which is really good. The one thing that I don't like about Wish though is the shipping. The shipping is often sometimes the same price as the item, and especially they mislead you with free items that actually have like £2 or £3 shipping, which, you know, for the item isn't that bad, but like it's really misleading. You see a really cute top, you think £3, that's really cheap, and then the shipping is like £7, and you could have bought that same top like on eBay for like £5 with no shipping. Like it can be like a little bit misleading, but all in all, like you can look around and look at the reviews and stuff and see if you're paying a good price for that item. So I've got like a few items here. I'm not sure exactly how many I have, but I have a good few of them. I have worn a few of these out, so you might have seen them on my Instagram or just in like photos on Snapchat or wherever. If you follow me on there, my socials are in the description bar below. But I'm just going to show you, there are a few pieces that don't actually fit me yet because I'm trying to like slim into them. Like I said, like I've got like a few festivals and holidays this summer, so I want to be wearing like these cute pieces there. And some of it, like I just wanted it so bad that even if it doesn't fit, I just bought it and hope that eventually like I would lose enough weight to get in it. But I think there's actually only 2 items in here that I can't wear yet. Some of it is a little big, some of it fits just right, and I've got a few accessories as well. So I'm going to start off with the clothing, and the first item that I have is this t-shirt, which is just a basic white t-shirt and it just says Satan on it in a heart. I really like just plain white t-shirts, especially now that I have blue hair, because the red doesn't print on the collar. I'm not going to lie, this t-shirt's probably a little bit dirty because I spilled a drink down myself, so I'm sorry if you can see any stains. But I got this in a extra large, and I did tie it at the front because it was a little bit big. As you can see, there's a stain like right there. But it's just really cute, and I rolled the sleeves up as well just to like, because otherwise they like came down here and you couldn't like see all my tattoos. But yeah, I really like this t-shirt. It's just a plain t-shirt, and this lady in Tesco yesterday was like, oh, I really like her top, it says Satan. Yeah, so yeah, that's really cute. So the next item I have is actually something that doesn't fit yet. As you can see, like it's really just like not my size at all, but this is a size large, and it has a zip on the side and I can't do it up yet, as you can see, but again hopefully I can slim into it. But it was just really cute, and I think it was really cheap. I mean, it looks kind of cute with the blue, but obviously it doesn't fit yet, so I can't wear it. So the next thing I have are these leggings, and I don't know if you can see, but they absolutely don't fit at all, which is a shame because they're really cute. I like the pentagrams on the knees. However, I got them in completely the wrong size because I thought that they would be kind of tight, but no, they're completely loose. And even like on the ankle, I have to like roll the ankle in because it looks ridiculous. I have worn them like one time. Obviously they're really comfy because they're too big, but I don't think I've got long left in these where they just won't be like wearable, and I'm actually the chubbiest person that I know, so I have no one to give them to. But again, they were like really cheap, like maybe like £4, but it's such a shame because they're so cute. I really like wanted to wear them like for download and stuff, but they are just too big, and like when I wear them, like I'm constantly like pulling them up because they're just so large. So as you can probably tell, these are the second item that aren't really wearable yet because they are so tight. Like, I'm literally out of breath from fighting to get in them, but they are so cute. Obviously they've got like the cut out pentagrams on the thighs, but at the moment my thighs poke through them. Like, I haven't seen these on a website other than Wish before, and I just really wanted them, and the biggest size they went up to was large, and I didn't think I even had a prayer of getting in them. Like, obviously you can see that I'm in them, but they are just so uncomfortable at this precise moment. You know, I'd give it another stone or so before I can like comfortably wear them, but they are just so cute. I just wanted them so much, so I'm just gonna like slim into them, but obviously like they look cute in photos and stuff, and I can kind of like Photoshop my thighs to look so prominent. But they're just really cute, and I just wanted them so bad. I didn't care if they didn't fit properly. Like, I thought like, you know, these were the trousers that I was going to like slim to get into, and I just really love them, and I can't wait to actually be able to wear them without feeling like a whale. This dress I have already worn, but I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I just love the pentagram harness at the top. I wore this on a night out on Friday and I got loads of compliments on it. I absolutely love it. It's apparently like a knockoff Killstar dress, but obviously it was only like £7. I wasn't aware that it was like a knockoff one until I bought it. I just thought it was a cute little piece off Wish. I did have to put like a stitch in between the boobs because it was really plunging, and it was just really revealing, and I probably would have got arrested if I'd have worn it in public. Yeah, I really love this dress. It comes down like just above the knee, so it's not like super short, and it's not like really see-through or anything, but I just think it's really flattering and it's really cute. I wore the dress, I wore it with this belt, which unfortunately for all of you, it doesn't actually come with the pentagrams on. So where the pentagrams are, it was just like metal circles. And I basically just bought some like silver pentagram earrings. I bought 2 pairs off Wish and I just plied them on. And obviously like this is like probably like a direct dupe of the like Killstar belt that loads of people own, but it's like a £30 belt and I just can't justify that on a belt, so I just bought this one off Wish and just DIY'd it a little, and I get so many compliments on this belt. I've worn it a few times now and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It just goes with everything I own. It's definitely coming to download with me and I'm just absolutely obsessed with it, and I'm so like glad that I got the idea to do this because it saved me a pretty penny and it goes with the dress so well. So we're like getting on to like the last few pieces of clothing, and I got this t-shirt. Now obviously, like I said at the start of the video, I don't really like rip-offs or knock-off like clothing. I didn't realise when I was purchasing this that I think it is actually just like a knockoff of a Restyle t-shirt, because you know the models look like pretty familiar, and when I bought it I looked and I was like I'm not sure if the design directly is like a design from a Restyle t-shirt, but I know they have like t-shirts in this shape with like the neckline and the choker, but obviously like the material like is that really like cheap t-shirt material, and this was really long. Already put like another stitch in it just to like bring it back a bit, but it's still like kind of baggy. Obviously I've got quite a tubby neck, so I don't really like choking me, but all in all, like I don't like this t-shirt very much. I can't see me wearing it. Like, I mean, it's kind of comfortable and the design, like it feels like it's like there, like it's not going to like crack off after the first wash, but I don't know, I just don't really feel it. I think it's the sleeves that put me off because they're so like, they've got no shape to them, they're just kind of like there, and I don't know, I'm just not really feeling it. I like the design's cute, it's very me, but no, I'm just not feeling it. So the last clothing item, and probably one of my favourite t-shirts that I've ever bought, is this one. Obviously it's like the Thrasher logo, but it says I'm not okay, I promise, and only 2005 emo kids will understand, but honestly it's so cute. I just love it so much. It's really nice material. I'm pretty sure that it's like Fruit of the Loom or Gildan, which is like, you know, like a lot of bands use those t-shirts for like their merchandise, and they're just really soft and they keep their shape well. I think I got this in an XL because I thought that would be the brand that it was going to be, because I think they included it on their listing, but it's just really soft. I've rolled the sleeves obviously so they're like a little bit shorter because I don't like the sleeves to be like down here, which they usually are when I get like XL shirts because I've got like little T-Rex arms. But it's just really cute and it's really soft, and I'm absolutely obsessed with the design. I wear it all the time and like I love it. It's so cute. So I've got a few accessories that like I've got on Wish, and I usually always get my earrings off Wish because they're so like unique and cheap. They do usually like leave your ear a little bit green, but if you just keep it clean it's fine. They're just so cute, and obviously like you can get like the big pentagram earrings, which are really like hard to get, and they can be expensive when you buy them off other websites, and Wish is really good for phone cases. So I got this phone case, which is obviously like a Ouija board. It's all right quality. I have an iPhone XR, so it's quite hard to get cases. I don't think that it's like chipped in many places. The one thing that I do all the time is drop my phone, so my phone cases always get broken, like they're always like missing chunks, but I don't think this has lost anything yet. The print is pretty good as well. It's not like pixelated or anything, and it's just like really cute, and I just really like it. The next thing I got, which I wear all the time since I've got them, like I didn't even save them for the video before like getting makeup all over them, is these really cute sunglasses, and they're going to be going everywhere with me this summer. Basically they're just like really cute like circle lenses, and then they've got like big black diamonds and then skulls across the middle, and they're just really cute. Like I really like them. I'm obsessed with them. They're more of like a on my head accessory because obviously like I'm blind as a bat, so I can't see without sunglasses on, and with sunglasses on it just makes it more difficult. So the next two things I've got are some earrings. One thing that like really annoys me with Wish earrings, they never come with like the little rubber back on, and I would put these in and show you what they look like in. However, last year I tried to stretch my ear and it got really like infected and the hole actually closed up, so every time I wear earrings now I have to like force the earring through, and it's really painful, lots of blood. Only do it when I'm going out, you know, those ones. But basically these are little skeletons, and they're like mermaids. They're so cute. So they just look like that. I don't know if you can see, they're just like silver ones, like just metal, and they're really cute. I love them. I haven't worn them yet. They're quite dangly, and I imagine that they would get stuck in my weave all the time. The last thing I got was these earrings. One thing that like has really been annoying me is they're like two left hands, are they? Yeah, so they're two left hands, but they're little skeleton hands, and one of them was actually broken when I received it, so they did give me the money back when I complained on the app. But my mum makes jewellery, so she was able to fix it for me and just put one like a little earring on there. But again, I haven't worn them yet, but they're really cute, and they were free with just pay shipping again. One thing I found with Wish is that all my clothes and like the bigger items came quickly, but the smaller items like earrings took like quite a long time to come, and obviously my white pentagrams never came, and I really wanted them because I thought they'd look so cute with this blue hair. The cut-off day is in 2 days, so maybe they'll send me some more or I'll get a refund. Either way, I'll probably end up repurchasing them at some point and hopefully actually get them this time. So give me a thumbs up if you want to see any more haul videos. I have bought a few things off Shein and a few things off eBay for my holiday that's coming up, and I'll definitely be making a video on that because it's kind of like festival wear and like alternative things that I'm going to wear on holiday, because obviously like I'm not like a usual like Magaluf girl. Like me and my friend are going to like COS, and we're like quite like alternative in the way that we dress, and it's going to look a little bit awkward, so I'm going to try like incorporate some summer into like my alternative fashion. So yeah, give me a thumbs up if you want to see those videos, and I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you next time. Bye!